Namaste to all the staff members and teachers of Tibetan Homeschool Rajpur. As today is 5th September and we can't gather together due to lockdown, and I hope you enjoy your day by spending time with your family and staying at home. At last, I would like to wish you a happy staff day. Thank you.
I wish all the staff of Tejas Rajpur a very happy staff day. I hope you have a great day and also wish you all are fine. Once again, a very happy staff day and stay safe.
Today is staff day, so I would like to wish all the staff members that happy staff day and enjoy this day. Thank you.
And today is staff day, so I would like to wish all the teachers and the staff members that happy staff day. And today is a very special day for all the teachers and staff members. And once again, happy staff day. Thank you all and have a nice day.
Wishing all my beloved staff members a very happy and joyful staff day. Thank you for all the unconditional love, solid support, and for being our safe zone. I'm forever grateful to everything that you have for us. Once again, a very happy staff day.
Today is 5th September and we all know that today is Teachers' Day, and I want to wish all the staffs and teachers a very big and warm happy Teachers' Day. And I also take this opportunity to say thank you to all the staffs and teachers to give me this unconditional love and support. Thank you very much and I'm very grateful. Lastly, I want to say once more Happy Teachers' Day and stay safe, stay home. Thank you.
Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Go just make them drop dead, you a killer.
Shedala shatra